Hi guys, it's Amanda Lee from Sugar Cake School here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you two different ways to melt chocolate properly so that it is smooth, glossy and silky and ready to be used in making your desserts or decorations. So the two methods that I'll be showing you today, the first one is a double boiler method, or bain-marie in French. And the second method that I'll be showing you is using the microwave. So depending on your equipment or your preferences, you might want to choose one or the other. But these are basically two of the best methods for melting down chocolate properly. So let's get started and get into our tutorial. So to melt chocolate with the bain-marie method, first you need a saucepan or a pot, and you want to put in some very hot or boiling water. I normally fill it up to about halfway of the pot, and then you place your heat safe or heat proof bowl on top. And then you want to place in your chocolate. These can be buttons or chopped cooking chocolate that you want to melt. And you want this to be placed onto a stove on low to medium heat. And you want to be using a heat-proof spatula to constantly stir the chocolate to avoid it burning or catching on the sides or the bottom. If it overheats, chocolate can get really grainy and it is basically impossible to bring it back once it is burnt. After constant stirring over a gentle heat, your chocolate will melt beautifully and smooth, and it is ready once all of the lumps are dissolved. Now onto our second method. Now here are my chocolate buttons. You can also use chopped up chocolate, and I'm placing this into my microwave safe bowl. And so I'm going to place this whole bowl into the microwave, and I'm going to microwave it for 30-second increments. And it's really important to scrape the bowl and give it a good mix with a spatula in between each 30-second increment. Microwaving the chocolate for too long or not mixing it properly can cause there to be heat spots in the bowl, which can cause the chocolate to overheat and then get grainy. Keep repeating the steps until your chocolate is beautiful and smooth and all lumps have been dissolved. This process will take a longer time if you've got a large volume of chocolate to melt, and it will take a shorter time if you have just a little bit of chocolate to melt. And so these are the two ways to melt down chocolate perfectly till it's silky and smooth. If you'd like to take your baking and decorating to the next level, I have a free cake decorating bundle down below in the description box. It gives you access to my best recipes, mini cake tutorials and guides. Just click the link below to sign up for free to access all of this and more. To stay up to date with all new Sugar Cakes videos and tutorials, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you're not missing out on any new content. Catch you guys later!